Did he have any complaints of anything, like with the car?
I gotta look at my notes.
Sorry guys, we're not prepared for this video this morning. I just decided to whip it out because I like the color though. Laurel.
Laurel. It looks like it steps down some more right here, actually. 2.5 to 2. No, wait, it's JDMs. It's probably like 70 millimeters.
Yeah.
And it's got a RB20 in it.
Yeah.
Top mount turbo or direct replacement?
No, still just bolt-in direct replacement. GTX 2871R.
That sounds about right.
Fuel system, Link ECU tune. I believe we're doing a front-mounted custom piping. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to him about ditching this exhaust because it's going to be restricted.
Nah, it's not restrictive. What do you mean?
We go from 3 to 2.5 and then dual.
What's this? What's this doing here? Hanging.
Oh, that's for the factory transmount hanger. That's not there.
So
it'll
this
have
is
a bracket that comes off, and then yeah, 'cause this is supposed to be like that, and it would have a bracket that comes off of the transmount.
a little leak here on the trans.
Yeah, buddy. What is that? Rear main seal is cooking.
It's
'Cause I don't
probably.
see the whole man looks dry.
Probably it. Zip ties save lives.
It does look like it's coming from the valve covers, which looks like was just recently done. So it might be old shit.
Maybe it's residual. It doesn't look like it's too much there.
It might be leaking. Looks like he's got the high octane billet half moons, and I don't see any RTV on them, or at least not very much. So it might be leaking from the right at the back of the half moons. Oh, he got a factory elbow. I mean, it's not the worst, but
I'm gonna tidy this up a bit. You know me and
it's a
wiring.
manual swap.
I know, it just needs a little tidying in my opinion. You could take care of that. You got a 2-piece drive shaft still.
Yeah.
I guess that's okay, because how much horsepower are we gonna really... How many kilometers are on this?
I have no idea.
No
It's
idea.
a swap car.
Oh, it's a swap. What comes in the Laurel originally?
This, but I don't know if it's original to the car. I mean, it's a manual swap. Chances are it probably is original, but oh, that's a power steering pressure switch. That's no longer there because it looks like he's got a chase phase reservoir kit. They don't powder coat. They don't really coat the subframes on these ones either. It's just like
Bare metal.
I mean, it's. Not,
I think it's painted.
It's painted, but it's not the black. It's hit or miss whether you find them black or not. The slave looks like it's already almost pushing up pretty far. Oh shit! He's missing a trans bolt. What the f?
There's nothing in there?
Nothing in there. Nothing over here too.
Oh no, okay.
So
Maybe we should write this down here.
Hey, when the bushing don't fit, you just gotta make your own microfiber insert.
Is that a piece of carpet?
No, it looks like a rag.
Oh. It looks kind of like the car, which is in the air now, so I'll when we bring it down, I'll show you, but it looks kind of like Cresta, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like a prelude in the back.
Yeah.
Front. You get to the front.
You call it a prelude too?
The back
prelude?
You
You
don't.
don't-
The old prelude.
What'd you say?
Prelude.
Yeah. Prelude. I always called him a prelude. I don't know, internet. What is the proper way to say it? Ask the Honda heads. I'm probably saying it wrong.
It doesn't look like yet. I mean, it looks like it hadn't been driven much.
Well, it just
But he's
needs...
missing the clips.
Probably just this holding it in there.
Yeah, anti-rattle plate. Just the whole.
Oh,
pins
but they're powder coated. It's priorities, okay? We have to know. Priorities.
Where was this? Was this get stuck?
No, it was on top of the
It
trans.
was on top of the trans, just bundled up.
Got some before footage. This leaf is important. Plays a...
Leaf.
Yeah, there's a leaf up there. Plays an integral role in the...
Pretty good.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. It's permanently in there. Crispy.
Creepy.
Creepy.
What's up with this?
What's up with this? Have you seen it?
Oh, this is just left off.
I like the license plate. Toyland. I know it says Tovland, but
Yeah, I didn't really pick up on that one.
oh my God.
It's supposed to be like a Y.
Yeah.
Is it that he's going to V-land? No.
No, I didn't get that. What does that mean? Like Vagina Land?
Yeah.
That's what it'll get you. These Mark IVs, actually, they get you all the dudes. Yeah, they take you to D-Land for sure. When are we going to see yours, Jose?
Plus,
I like this too. This is nice.
yeah, that's different.
Yeah, this is Leo's Supra. He's a nice guy.
Looks like. Yeah, it's got a good exhaust on it.
You can pop the hood if you want.
Time started becoming an issue, and some things were kind of just thrown in to get the car finished. I had to redo this pipe because this blow-off valve and intake air temp sensor was kind of crammed up here. So we kind of moved down into the pipe, into the fender liner. Put it on top of the harness and let the crook instead of tucking it underneath that corner.
Oh, they even bent the bracket, yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to fix that. Just it's like the little things
The boost
sometimes.
solenoid is kind of just chilling back there.
Yeah, it's not mounted. But overall, yeah, overall it's very nice.
It's a really clean car. Stop automatic.
Yeah. And it did
It's got a lot of like
870 something things.
It's got like a lot of factory stuff. The radiator.
I noticed the radiator. Yeah.
There's stuff that make you think it hasn't been completely ripped apart.
Yeah. He's got the PHR heater core lines.
And then with all the harnesses, the horn still right there. It's like
Yeah. I don't mind some of the OEM with pizzazz.
because it hasn't been messed with. Like
Yeah.
parts that
That's my whole theory too. Run it until you can't. If it works. Hey. Hey. You should be talking about my trans, or I'll talk about your trans.
Can't say that. The video is going to get.
Thanks. Jose got it. Jose got it.
This video is offensive. Oil feed.
It's a little slack.
Better than it being too close though.
Usually we'll put it tight around like the turbo blanket area, yeah, like in there. But Edgar, he doesn't like too much slack. He likes very tight clearances.
It looks
Doesn't like
clean.
slop.
It looks
Yeah.
cleaner and it's just not in the way of things.
Yeah.
What the,
Just this oil feed, it's just it's long as hell and it comes over here.
Yeah, this shit's
that's
too
because
long.
it's the mainline.
Oh,
Which
okay.
Which is fine if you get the length right, but it's never right. It's always either too long or too short.
You measure, you're like, yeah, this
Ain't
is
that the
perfect.
case?
And then you get it and it's an inch too short.
Yeah, well, not even so much that. Like you measure it, and you might not have anything to buy of that exact measurement, so you got to go a little bit longer. It's like, oh, I need one that's 9 inches. Well, it's in half-a-foot increments, so then you got to buy a 12-inch one.
Yeah.
That's true.
Then you got 3 inches of slack.
You just make your own, yes?
Yep.
Yeah. We just custom make things here so that they fit. But overall, still not. That's us nitpicking. If you guys got a sloppy oil feed line, honestly, we are nitpicking because that's our job. How can we make things better?
This could get trimmed because it's just silicone.
Yeah, that definitely needs to be trimmed up. That's easy. Yeah, we just, things get hot. You don't want things moving around, touching something, melting, and then you wonder. Yeah, we'll cut it. I'll just shorten it. You literally could just trim the hose. Yeah, my biggest thing was the catch can, that lean with it. It just bothers me. It was the first thing I saw, because it's like shiny, right?
Yeah, and it's right up against it's yammed in there.
It's yammed in.
That's probably another reason why actually it doesn't go over anymore. And the bracket is pushed all the way forward.
Yeah, it's just not put in correctly. I mean, it's really not that difficult. You can see the harness, the body harness goes underneath it. And you could just reroute that. So, not a big deal. We'll take care of it. All right, anything else anybody wants to say? Shout out anybody. Thank you, Mom, for this moment. I'll thank Mom. Thanks, Mom. All right. Peace out, Cub Scout.